Yeah, today I want to talk on how to put a divide line on your website, a kind of line like this that divide and make your website more beautiful. Now it's a short code, so check my description. I will put in the code there, so you can check there and see the code and just paste. Now for you to edit it, maybe you want to make it longer or shorter. Now you can just click on the edit here and to come to the height and make it anything, maybe 710. That's okay. Position absolute left, yeah, 50. Now border 1 point solid black, yeah, for the color. So and that's all. So that, you see, it's now more longer. So that's that about that. Thank for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.